Assalamualaikum. Good morning, student. I hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Student, today we are going to do fair work, the Thrush Girl. For fair work, you have to take your fair copy and take your pencil. First, you maintain your page, make margin line both sides in your copy, and then you will mention today's date. Story number 9, the Thrush Girl. You will mention here page number. Words, synonyms. Number first word is crumbs. Its synonym is grain. Number second word is pan. Its synonym is shelter. Number third word is buried. Its synonym is hide or cover. Student, turn your copy page and then you will again maintain your page for question and answer. Question number 1. What did the grandmother teach the child? Put question mark at the end of question. Answer. The grandmother taught the child how to understand thrushes, moles and bees. Put full stop at the end of answer. Question number 2. How did the animals help the child? Put question mark at the end of question. Answer. Number 1. The thrushes saved the girl from being burned. Full stop. Number 2. Bees saved her from man with axe. Full stop. Number 3. Moles freed her from the tower. Put full stop. Question number 3. Why do you think the little girl went away in the end? Put question mark at the end of question. Answer. Because the girl did not like people. Put full stop at the end of answer. Number 4. Why do you think the people were so against the girl? Put question mark at the end of question. Answer. Because people thought she is possessed by magic or she has turned into witch. Put full stop at the end of answer. Homework is this. You have to complete this fair work with neat and clean writing. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.